I'm going to show you how to prepare the green crab for tog fishing. And 2 different ways you can put them on a bottom sweeper jig. First, you're going to cut the legs off. Now you can see there's a crease right up the middle of the bottom of the crab. You're just going to get your scissors and cut right up that middle. Okay, now you got 2 baits. Some people like to put it through the leg socket first and come out here. Like that. Others start at the leg sockets. Go through a leg socket and come out like that. You'll have to see what works best for you. Throw these pieces in the water. It will chum the water and attract the tog. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. There he is. He's a nice one too, though.
Oh man, he's nice. He's beautiful.
Tank City. Blackfish, also known as tog or tautog. About 13 inches. 13-inch tog.